Yay! First cast! First cast, we got a bass! Right, this is bass fishing at its finest. We've got a top water. We're going to see if we can get a bass to come up. Here we go. Bass fishing on the top. Oh, yeah. The lure's on the top. The fish should jump out and grab it. I had one hit. There, and another. There, and another. And again, yeah, I'm in. I'm in. Oh, it's only a tiny one, but it'll do. Yeah, easy as that. Topwater bass fishing, ladies and gents, is a nice bass. Just flying close, right in the gully. Oh, that's a nice bass. That's a nicer one. Yeah, oh, look at that, yeah. Right, so that lure's killing it. I'm going to try a different lure. I'm thinking something bigger to see if there's any bigger fish, but this might put them off, we'll see. Right guys, so I've got my spinning setup that I use in Dubai, and I've got a topwater lure imitating a mullet. So I'm going to see if I can get a bass to come up and smash it on camera. It's quite epic if they come up. Oh, it's a big splash up there. Don't know if you saw that. We cast onto it. Yeah, it's a nice fish. Some really big fish off the corner. So I'm just switching the rod tip left to right, trying to get a taste. Oh yeah, nice! No, it's another small one I think. No, that's the biggest one. Yeah, it's not a bad one. Absolutely going off over here. Yeah, smaller fish. It's still fighting well. The main reason why I switched lure is because the other one was getting engulfed, and I don't want to injure the fish if I'm letting them go. So this lure is a bit more of a mouthful, and I'm still hitting it, which is good. But hopefully it should bring out some of the bigger fish. Right, another cast. Let's go. So they're working this corner. This is where two tides are meeting. So the fish are working the bait fish that are getting span in the turbulence of water. They're easier pickings. And I've dived this spot before, so I know that there's like a reef that drops down and a little bit of a gully where the fish are going to be sitting and just hammering the bait fish that are above and disorientated. Oh wow, big fish! Wow, that's a big fish. Did you see the take? Oh, that's what I'm after. Amazing. Just trying to keep it up because there's reef below here and I don't want it to bury its head and shake the lure. Oh, what a fish. And that is why topwater fishing for bass is so good. Right, so I've just switched over to this soft plastic weedless lure, and they're still smashing lures here. Lovely bass. Yes, success. Great success. I like